Hello friends, in this today's lecture we are going to see the next tab. In the previous two lectures we had already seen how to create the Google Classroom and how to change our theme and upload the photo and the importance of class code. Okay, so here the first tab, that is the classwork. Before going to the classwork, here you would see the stream. We have already seen this area, the class code and changing the theme and upload the photo. Here here we could share with the class. For example, you want to notify to your students, you can just notify over here, like that. So here you just type that, dear student, tomorrow there will be a class test. Okay, fine. See which classes you want to share. That is again here, if the notice is common to all the classes, you can just tick and you can share with those classes. Then the students, for example, all the students especially. Now there is no student, therefore we could not see the other students, but usually the notices are for all the students. One more facility is available over here. You can add something over here also. Look at that. These are the four things through which you can add from the Google Drive. You can share the link, you can upload the file, or you can just give them the YouTube lecture also directly. So, and you can post it. You just make the post. One more thing, here is the down tab. See, this post could be scheduled. Schedule means uh, in the next week, or in the after 11 a.m. that notice should be posted. So you can schedule like this. Yes, see here you can change the date also, 25th suppose. Then the time, you can change the time also. Okay, so you can schedule it in this way. The notice is scheduled. So here is the stream which we have already seen. So the Google Drive and all those four things we could see in the next module also. Here is the next tab, that is I'm going to discuss today also, classroom. Here are the two things, Google Calendar and class drive folder. Friends, whenever you create any class with your Gmail account, automatically on your Google Drive the class would be reflected. Whatever title you have chosen, for example TYBA, so you could see in the drive. Let me show you, class drive folder. So that could be open in the next tab. So you could see that TYBA folder in a Google Drive. Yes. So whatever you have already shared with your students, that could be automatically saved in the Google Drive. You could see here in your drive. So this is one more facility provided by the Google. Right now I don't have anything over here. I couldn't share anything with my students, so I could not see here. But whenever you submit the material, assignment, classroom, links, whatever, that could be reflected here only. Yes, and this is the next tab, that is the Google Calendar. This is very important because nowadays in a very hectic schedule or busy schedule, you could forget the things. So this is what exactly the planner, this particularly Google Calendar, remind you. And this is very important, so this is the date, and you can add here something. This is the sign reminder, so you could see the reminder, you can type it and you can post it, so on that day that could be reminded. Here is also the view, you could see day, week, month, year, or schedule only. For example, week, if I change that, look at the layout has been changed. This is the weekly view you could see, and this is the month, especially this is the month view. You can see the reminders also here. I had already set it. Then so 4 days or schedule, etc, etc. Okay, uh, let me keep the day view only. Okay, so uh, come back to our class. Yes, so in this today's session we had already seen the how to share something with your class directly through this particular. You have to use it as your notice board, so you can notice to the students. And in the classroom we are not yet started discussing with this plus sign. Today in this session we just talked about the Google Calendar and class drive folder. So stay home, stay safe, and watch my videos. Okay, thank you very much.